Hello people, so this is my third review of the day, third video of the day, and in this I'm reviewing Twinkle Khanna's book, The Legend of Lakshmi Prasad. I mean, people, Twinkle Khanna is like one of the most, like I really wouldn't want to say that she's a present day Shobha Day because honestly, Twinkle Khanna's writing style is is so far beyond the people who call themselves writers. Like I mean, she's a very well read and it's quite when you read the book you can just tell that there's a lot of reading that's gone into, because when she writes about the certain little village and all, it's it's just amazing. It's not like she's not one of these star wives whom okay, uh, you're just like okay, she's written a book, but no, yeah, she's a writer who's here to stay, and it's just too good, the book. So, and the thing is, it's very fun. Like it makes you laugh, at certain places, and it's a collection of short stories, really. So, 5-star rating, people. I mean, like without a doubt. So, if you all haven't read it, please go and grab a copy because the movie Padman was based on this book. Like literally, one of the short stories from this book. So, yeah, The Legend of Lakshmi Prasad, amazing book. You all should read it. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.